Shomu's Biology with Teachers Day Mega Sale. Get 64 GB pen drive, recorded lecture plus 5 books at 7,900 rupees only. Flat 2,000 rupees off. Contact 9804654228. You can also download our application, and inside the application there will be a code section where you can put the code teacher 2000 TACHER 2000, and the price will be slashed to 7,900 rupees for 64 GB pen drive plus books. If you only want pen drive recorded lectures, then the price will be 6,900. Happy learning. Alright everyone, this is Shomu from Shomu's Biology, and in this particular video I am going to share how to utilize Shomu's Biology study material package. Particularly the Shomu's Biology, we are going to talk about how you are going to utilize this Shomu's Biology pen drive package, basically how to utilize the pen drive package. So this is what you get inside our 64 GB pen drive. The new updated version of our pen drive is 64 GB, contains approximately 200 hours of lectures. Existing old one consists of 100 hours of lectures. So this is 200 hours approximate number of lectures. So how to utilize that in your preparation? Let's say you purchase this pen drive, and this video is basically targeting those who have already purchased the pen drive and wondering how to utilize this. This particular video of how to utilize this pen drive is already provided inside this pen drive itself, knowing how to use this pen drive course. And another video is also there inside, what is our material. Basically that means what is all covered in the material. There are two separate videos provided, and Net Set Go V6 book PDF copy is provided. Question paper from June 2018 to June 2024, it's there. The question that is out there, the answer explanation to that is provided in the Net Set Go book printed as a hard copy, which comes with this package, will be delivered to your address. So here I will divide the contents into three separate sections. One is for the basic preparation, second one is for the advanced preparation, and the third one is for the revision. So the whole content is divided into three different sections. For the basic preparation, not every student is well equipped with all the 13 units of the CSIR NET syllabus. Maybe there are students who are familiar with cell biology, molecular biology, biochemistry, but not familiar with developmental biology, ecology, evolutionary biology. If somebody is from zoology background, they are familiar with ecology, evolutionary biology, developmental biology, but not familiar much with biochemistry, cell biology or molecular biology. So that is why you need to decide whether which units you are good at, which unit was your zone of interest from where you've done your MSc or BSc and MSc, graduation, masters. Those units probably you have prepared well, so you don't need to prepare from the basics of those units. You can directly get into the advanced lectures. The actual advanced lecture of our online coaching, a recorded version of the lectures, are provided here in the folder number 2, CSIR NET unit wise lectures. For every single unit you will find out lectures inside. Okay, sorry, let's go inside. For every single unit there will be lectures. The lectures are bigger and you'll get lectures inside like this. So these are advanced lectures, and only go inside the advanced lecture once your basics are clear. And I would recommend you to brush your basics, even though your basics are clear, but brush up your basics with our animated lecture series, and that is there inside newly updated content folder number 10, and inside of which you have this animated lecture series for all the 13 units. Most of them we have animated lectures, and these animated lectures explains all the difficult, complicated concepts with the help of animation, which helps you to visualize the concept for a longer duration to remember. So clear this with animated lectures and then get back to this folder number 2 and read from these recorded lectures of our online course. Okay, so these are advanced, and basics is animated lectures. Okay, now you read the basics, you read the advanced, and once both of this done, and if you need to remember things, right, you need to write down notes. You don't need to do that anymore, because we already providing you with the help of our study, we already have this, just a second, what we have here is the full lecture note. For all the 13 units, we have lecture notes here. For unit 1 to unit 13, we have lecture notes. So you can read and prepare these lecture notes right after reading the advanced lectures. Go through these lecture notes, and if you have any problem, you already have the hard copy book to yourselves, the Blueprint of Life Science book, which you already bought with this package. You can refer to that. So once this preparation is done, then you need to revise. At the time of revision, what you need to do, we have a separate set of lectures and content for revision only. And again, I'll get you into this newly updated content section, inside of which you have our table videos, and these table videos will help you immensely for revision, because these are table of content, and you know, table contains a lot of information about a topic or a subtopic. So you get to know a lot about these tables. The table videos PDFs are there, and the videos are also there. This is for the revision, and also get to the mnemonic videos, which will help you to remember and recall what you've learned earlier with the help of simple mnemonic tips and tricks. You can do both of this with the help of the mnemonic video preparation. Okay, so mnemonic videos and the memory table videos will help you to revise your content. This is something there to revise it. And once the revision is done, then it comes the time to check your knowledge. And how to check your knowledge? To check your knowledge, you need to attempt questions, previous year's questions. Now, before attending previous year's questions, you need to understand how to answer the previous year's questions. For that, we have part B question explanations, video explanations of part B questions. And we also have part C question explanations, video explanations of part C questions. So you have part B and part C question explanations. Learn how I explain part C questions. Try to figure out the way that we explained, the way you need to think in order to answer, in order to get to the answer of part C questions. That is explained here in the part C question explanation. Go through all of this and then attend the question paper. That is the folder number 6, CSIR NET mock test paper. Okay, here you will get mock test paper for, there are 2 sets of mock test paper you will get. Set number 0, again unit 1 to 13, and set number 3, again unit 1 to 13. And you have a grand mock test, 2 separate series for the test series for all the 13 unit questions together. Such 2 sets you are also going to get. Okay, so you have grand mock test question papers, you have normal question papers to check how much you have prepared, what is your score in the examinations. And after every single advanced lectures, when you study this from the folder number 2, once it's done, you get to this daily practice problems or DPPs, and you just open up one of this and try to see the questions, try to answer the questions that is out there for every single lecture, just to check how much you can answer, how many of them you can answer correctly. And if you answer 80% of the questions correctly, that means that topic for the day is ready. You can move on to the next topic or next unit. Follow this pattern, follow this protocol for all the different units. For all the units, you need to follow this particular protocol. And particularly for part A, we have a separate folder, folder number 4, where we have part A previous year's questions, where we have part A formula list and how to remember the formula, how to apply the formula, and we have how to apply them, practice problems, right, for all the different type: blood relation, calendar problem, clock and time, data interpretation, direction sense test, distance, speed, height and distance, mixture allegation, number series. All these questions on how to attend them, how to answer them is explained here as well. Okay, and last thing is the biology math problems. So you can notice that in the CSIR NET question paper that there are many analytical and mathematical questions asked, especially in unit 1 biochemistry, in unit 8 genetics, and population ecology, that is unit 11
Hardy-Weinberg. Those kind of math problems require special attention, dedicated lectures, dedicated class. These two dedicated class will help you to go through the formulas and the question answer explanations for that. Also, if you bought the book along with this pen drive, you have the biology math handbook where we have discussed about all the different types of questions related to these topics and subtopics in that book, right? So we have everything. We have lecture PowerPoints, all the lecture that we have taken. The PowerPoint version of the lectures are available, which you can also utilize. And inside the soft copy study buddy package, you have reference books, right? The master ebook that we have, it's already there. Basically, the master ebook is a compilation of all the ebooks best for different units stitched together, so that you don't need to find and beat your head to find out the best book. You have CSIR NET Goldmine, where we have extra notes as a PDF version. Okay, you have CSIR NET heat map analysis based on the last 10 years CSIR NET question paper. Which units are more economical? Which units are more necessary? This statistical analysis are clearly drawn in here. And last few years question explanations are already present. All these things are present, and we have already added CSIR NET suggestion this time, where we have CSIR NET books to follow, CSIR NET syllabus, high yield units, heavily repetitive topics of CSIR NET life science syllabus for all the different units. The topics which are repeatedly asked are mentioned in here. But look at this at the last phase of your preparation, the last month of your preparation, and then revise with the mnemonic videos and table videos, and then practice from the PYQs. In this way, you are going to prepare within 6 months or within a year. If you decide to prepare within 6 months, then you follow my 6-month study plan, where you need to devote 8 to 10 hours a day for your preparation. If you have 1 year for your preparation, then follow my 1-year study plan, where you can devote 4 to 6 hours a day for the preparation time frame throughout the period of CSIR NET Life Science preparation, where we have daily routine provided and resources mentioned, how to utilize them, when to utilize them. Every little detail is there in this package. So basically everything that our online coaching students get is there inside this package, and this package cost is 8,900 only. Coaching price is 15,200 only. Coaching validity 2 years, package validity lifetime, validity on the content. So act accordingly, decide accordingly, and choose wisely.